Good morning, students. In the previous class I have taught you what is division. Means I have explained to you what is division, why do we need division, what is group, what is repeated subtraction, how repeated subtraction is equal to division. Now we will start our new self exercise, that is self practice 6D. As you can see, few problems based on division are given. We will start solving it. Before that, I will explain to you which one is the dividend, which one is the divisor, which one is the quotient, and which one is the remainder. Now let's take one example. Here you can see we will divide 72 divided by 9. So here 72 is the dividend. It is a dividend and 9 is the divisor. So what we will do, whenever we are having this division problem, we will see which one is the divisor. Here 9 is the divisor, so we will read the multiplication table of 9. So start reading the multiplication table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72. So you can see 9 eights are 72. So 9 eights are 72. We will write 72 here. Then we will subtract. We will subtract 72 from 72. As you can see, when we will subtract, we will get 0. So now here 8 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. Now we will take one more example, say 46. We will take the example 46. We will divide it by 7. So here 46 is the dividend, 7 is the divisor. So we will start, what is the divisor here? 7. So we will start reading the multiplication table of 7. If you can directly do, you can read. Now what is the thing that I will tell you? 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are how much? 49. Now you can see 7 into 7 is how much? 49. But 49 is greater than 46. So we will not take 49. 7 sevens are 49. We will not write this. We will take the before the product, that is before 7 sevens are 49, that is 7 6 are 42. So we will take here 7 6 are 42. Why we will not take the 49? If we take the 49, what will happen? We cannot subtract 49 from the number 46. So we have to always take product that is less than the dividend. We have to take the product that is less than the dividend. So 7 6 are 42. So we will do the subtraction now. So what is the answer? 4. So you can say the quotient is, this is the quotient and this is the remainder. If you are asked to write the quotient and remainder in a question, no need to write this, no need to write this. First what you will do, say for this question you will do the division, then you will subtract, you will get the remainder also. After this you will write quotient equals to 6, remainder equals to 4. This will be the answer. So now let's go to the exercise and we will solve few problems. Then if you have any doubt you can clear in the next class. Now my first question is here. You can see 24 is the dividend and the divisor is 4. So what we will do, we will learn the multiplication table of 4. So 4 6 are 24. Subtract, how much is the remainder? 0. Again 1 we will do, this one I will do now. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. So we will subtract. So what is the quotient? Quotient is 4 and 0 is the remainder. Here they have not asked you to write the quotient and remainder, they have just asked you to do the division. Okay, and these are the simple division, so no need to, if you want you no need to write this, but I will suggest you to write this. Now let's solve few more problems. You can see here 1 is the divisor, 8 is the dividend. So read the multiplication table of 1. How much? 1 8s are 8. So we will write the 8 here, subtract, so 0. So what is the quotient here? 8. Now for this quotient you can see the 0 is here. So what will be the, how we will do this? 7 zeros are 0. So you will write 0 here and you will write 0 here. So it is ultimately 0. So the quotient is 0. Okay everyone. Now I think you can solve all this question. This one is also easy. I will do one for you. 1 8s are 8. So see, what is the quotient here? 8. So for 8, which letter is here? C. So which letter you will write? Write the letter of the correct quotient below each division problem. So here the quotient is 8. So the word, which word will be here? C will be here. The letter C will be here. Which letter? C. Now next one is, say 6 2s are 12. So for 2, which letter is there? H. So H will be here. Okay, is it okay to you? Solve the other problems. Now we will solve few word problems. So as you can see, these are the very easy ones. So don't be afraid of the problems. These are very easy to solve. 14 pieces of cheese slices, 2 pieces in each sandwich. So there are 14 pieces of cheese slice with you, and how many sandwiches, and what you are doing, you are putting 2 pieces of slices, cheese slices in each sandwich. So how many sandwiches are there? So there are 14 slices of cheese. In each sandwich there are 2. So we will write 14 divided by 2. So do the division. So here 2 is the divisor. So read the multiplication table of 2. Yes, 2 7s are 14. So the quotient is 7. So we will write 7 sandwiches. One more problem I am going to solve for you. There are 15 chocolates, 5 for each girl. 15 chocolates are there, 5 chocolates for each girl. So 5 is the divisor. Read the multiplication table of 5. Yes, 5 3s are 15. So 3 is the quotient. So how many girls are there? 3 girls are there. Now the next problem is from self practice 6F. I will solve few problems for you. First I will solve the number 1, A. Now you can see here my dividend is 7 and my divisor is 3. So I will read the multiplication table of 3. Read 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So the product 9 is bigger than the number 7. So we will take 3 2s are 6. We will subtract. So what do we get? 1. So what is the quotient here? You can write Q for the quotient. So quotient is 2, remainder is 1. So now let's solve another problem. Say 1D. 5 divided by 32. Read the multiplication table of 5. Yes, 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35. Now 35, the product 35 is greater than 32. So we will take the less product, that is 5 6 are 30. We will do the subtraction. So what is the remainder? 2. So what is the quotient? Quotient is 6, remainder is 2. Likewise you will solve the other problems also. Now moving on to the next topic. Here what we will do the division and we will check our result. Now as you can see, we have the divisor 6 here, so we will do the division. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36. 36 is greater, so we will take 6 5s are 30. We will do the subtraction, we get 2. So this is the quotient, this is the remainder, this is the dividend, and this is the divisor. Now there is a formula. That is divisor into quotient plus remainder equals to dividend. You can see the formula, divisor into quotient plus remainder equals to dividend. This formula is very important. Why? Using this formula we will check our result. You can see one example here. 8 5s are 40. So 5 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder. So what they have done? 5 multiplied by 8. See which one is the divisor? 8 is the divisor, 5 is the quotient. So divisor into quotient, 5 multiplied by 8. So what is the answer? 40. Then what? Plus remainder. So what is the remainder here? 1. So see, plus 1. So what is the answer? 41. 41 is the what? Dividend. You can see 41 is the dividend here. So let's solve our problem. So what is the formula? The formula is divisor into quotient. I will write Q for quotient plus R for remainder equals to what? Dividend. So let's put the formula. Divisor is how much? 6. 6 multiplied by 5 plus 2. Now solve this one. So what I am solving here for you, 6 multiplied by 5 equals to how much? 30. And what is the remainder? 2. 30 plus 2. So what is the answer? 32. So 6 multiplied by 5 plus 2 equals to how much? 32. So see, 32 is the dividend, equals to dividend. So checked. This is correct. Likewise, you have to solve the other problems also. I hope you are getting it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the next Zoom class. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.